The inaugural parade starts at 10. Excuse me, at Liscombe Gate. Everyone is invited. I don't think I'm going to be able to finish, Robert. You're going to have to take over.
There'll be a B-25 flyover and a performance of the Air Force Band of Flight, food trucks, live music, and other attractions after the parade's over.
You did good at that.
Yeah, I can read teleprompter.
Yeah. You want to do it some more?
Yeah, News Center 7 wants to see how you're honoring veterans on Veterans Day. You can share your pictures with us, WHIO, on the WHIO News app. Just click the Upload Photo button on the bottom right part of the screen. And then I think the next thing would be to prepare for the cold weather that's ahead. Hit it.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with meteorologist Robert Gautreaux III.
News is that you need a little water. We're going to get some here.
I don't think it's the kind of, I'm just going to have to open my mouth at the sky the way this is going. Thank you for that, by the way. Yeah. Live TV, sometimes that just happens.
Yeah, sometimes I drop, clickers, and sometimes she has to cough, so
I'm good.
The way it works.
I'm good. All right, well, I owe you one. When it comes to the cold weather, though, I mean, people are looking at the rain. We need the rain. But the cold's going to be a little bit shocking.
Yeah, I think if you didn't enjoy today with temperatures in the 70s, that's your loss, because we're not going to see them for a while.